What makes Versa Pak different is we're a one-stop shop. We have anything from your mono to 3 and 5 layer. We also have a 5-inch bubble all the way up to a 122-inch lay flat. When manufacturers are out there looking to source their materials, they can go to one stop versus having to shop 3 or 4 different locations. Our capabilities include printing, venting, additives, so your EVAs, your VCIs, anything that you need out in the field, we're going to be able to supply for you. We have a full service lab on site, and that allows us to take a bag that a customer currently has, send it in through the lab, run qualifications on it, and allow us to replicate what they have so that we don't have to go through multiple trials. When working with Versa Pak, our customers can expect to receive the hands-on approach, the one-on-one, the traveling to go to the customer site to make sure that the end user is taken care of. In addition to that, our reputation is very important at Versa Pak. We ensure quality products, and we also make sure that the customer is taken care of.